Assalamualaikum ma'am. Welcome to our video presentation. First of all, introduce myself. I am Riyaz Hussain. My ID 181299049 and introduce my group member MD Shoel Arman ID 181291123 and Shiuli Akhtar ID 181291124. Today our presentation topic is potential advantage of single enantiomer drug. I talk about introduction. Most new drugs are marketed as single enantiomer, but many older agents are still available in racemic form. As these drugs reach the end of their patent life, manufacturers become interested in marketing single enantiomer equivalent. This is called chiral switching, and it has been claimed that it will bring clinical benefit in terms of improved efficacy, more predictable pharmacokinetic and reduced toxicity. We review the clinical evidence and price for three recently marketed single enantiomer version of widely used racemic drug, esomeprazole and levosalbutamol. Claim of increased efficacy were based on comparison of non-equivalent doses, and any advantage seemed small and clinical unimportant. Price of esomeprazole and levosalbutamol were higher than their racemic alternative, and we predict that this price will remain high despite the market presence of generic version of the racemate. Patient protect and a perception of superiority based on promotion rather than evidence will mention price. Premium for single enantiomer drugs that are not justified on the basis of clinical performance. Now I invite my next group member, MD Shoel Arman.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Holy Ramadan and Eid Mubarak to all. This is Shoel Arman, ID 1812923. First of all, I would like to thank our honorable man to give me an opportunity to say something about my presentation. Today's our presentation topic is potential advantage of single enantiomer drug. Thanks real solutions. Single enantiomer drug to therapeutic advance. Currently is one of the main feature of biology, and many process essential for life history aesthetics. It means that two or more isomer may work best in particular physiological situation. Only one isomer may be active, and also only one isomer may cause side effect. But two or more isomer have advantageous pharmacological properties. Last example of isoniazole. This is the isoniazole introduction of isoniazole. Oniazole is the protein pump inhibitor drug. That is standard treatment of gastric acid related diseases. Doubling the standard dose of isoniazole from 20 to 30 mg did not including healing rates, that is 74% to versus 75%. But here is isomer of isoniazole and oniazole was shown to heal improved patient than oniazole. As a result of unique metabolic properties that differentiate of isoniazole and oniazole, severe clinical advantage, higher viability, extensive metabolizer, lower exposure. Now third example, it is clear that exploration and development of single isomer drug may bring significant advance in treatment option. Drug names of single enantiomer drug and true therapeutic advance. Drug name drug name generic name albuterol, drantoin, dentonin, generic name deuterothionein, and drantoin oil deuterin. Here is all over my presentation. Thanks and thanks to all. Again, Holy Ramadan and Eid Mubarak to all. Now I would like to invite our next presentation member, Shuli Akhtar.
Assalamu alaikum ma'am. I am Shuli. My ID number 1812924. Today our presentation topic is about potential advantage of single enantiomer drug. My group member are very well discuss different point about this topic. So I am going to discuss about 2 points about this topic: new drug development, potential advantage of single enantiomer. Now I am going to start my presentation. New drug development. Mandate in the United States or Europe to develop new drug exclusively as single enantiomer. The US Food and Drug Administration policy regarding single enantiomer was published in 1992. The US Food and Drug Administration leaves a decision pursuant to racemic and single enantiomer formulation of a new drug to its developers. But the choice of racemic versus single enantiomer formulation of new drugs must be justified. Although both drugs are developed, but a hard portion of single enantiomer formulation of new drug are submitted for new drug approval. Although there are psychotropic drugs which are known as Acaral, example flavoxamine, nafazodine, are already marketed as single enantiomers. Example sertraline, paroxetine. A number of antidepressant drugs are marketed as racemic. Example citalopram, bupropion. And a number of drugs which are used psychiatric practice including zopiclone, methylphenidate. But among all of these drugs, single enantiomer formulation are developed for zopiclone and bupropion. Now, potential advantage of new drug. Less complex, more selective pharmacodynamic profile, less complex pharmacokinetic profile, potential for improved therapeutic index, less complex relationship between plasma concentration and effect. That's all about my presentation. Thank you ma'am for watching.